Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. This video is an introduction to my new Immigration Nation series. This is going to be Immigration Nation Explained, if you will, and it's based on the Netflix documentary Immigration Nation. For those of you that aren't aware, Immigration Nation is a documentary on Netflix. It's a 6-part series, and it really does a deep dive into the American immigration system. It chronicles the life of some immigrants and their journey into the United States. And I just wanted to do a video series on this because while I was watching both online, tweeting with people, and people that were sending me questions about this documentary, it really flagged some areas that I really want to help people understand, especially around your rights. So over the next few videos, I will be discussing things like what are your rights if you are detained or if you encounter ICE at your house, your job, or in public. What do you have a right to do? What can and should you do? I will be discussing the intersection of immigration law and criminal law. I will be discussing what gets you deported, what happens after you're deported, and how do you come back to the United States, if at all, if after you're deported. I'll also be covering the difference between asylum status and refugee status. I will be covering what you can do to protect your children in the event that you are detained or deported from the United States. And I'll also be covering sanctuary cities because every now and then I do get a question about sanctuary cities. So if you have any questions about anything that was in the Immigration Nation documentary on Netflix and you'd like me to cover them in this series, definitely drop your questions in the comments to this video. And in the meantime, if you have any friends or family members that would be impacted by anything that we're discussing or would just want to know this information, please feel free to share this information with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so that when the next video in the series drops, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching.